darlings, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Nain, and in today's video I'm going to be washing my dry matted natural hair. As you can see, it's all knotted up, and I'm going to be using the Shanyi Organics new collection to wash my hair, to revive my coils, strengthen and repair my hair strands, because as you can see right now, a lot is going on here. It has knots, it has tangles, it's dry, it has product build-up, flakes are coming out of it. The hair is just a whole mess right now. So first off, I'm going to be wetting my hair with some water. Then I'm going to be going in with the repair serum, the freeze control repair serum from Shanyi, of course. And this repair serum is going to help, strengthen my coils, which at the point is looking like I've lost all the curls on my head. And I'm just going to apply this. I'm going to be using this as a form of pre-poo. Preparing my hair leaves it soft, shiny, manageable and tangle free, and I'm always ready to wash after this. So before I go too deep into this video, I heard a lot of complaints from you guys about how dry your hair is, or how brittle your hair is, and how damaged your curls are. So I decided to collaborate with Shanyi Organics, and we're going to be giving 2 lucky winners this new collection. Who is excited? New collection is called the Coils RX collection, and it's supposed to strengthen and repair your coils, especially for my people with damaged coils or very dry natural hair. This is the solution right here, and this is the truth, trust me. So this giveaway is going to be running on my Instagram page, but the answers to the questions on my Instagram page are right here. I'm going to be giving all of the answers at once, so you have to stay tuned and listen attentively. But the first question says, what is the inspiration behind the formulation of this collection? What inspired the formulation of this collection? So the answer basically is that the founder had an experience with fibroadenoma, where 6 lumps had to be removed from her breast, from both breasts, and this is the main reason why she thought to make this collection. And 10% of the proceeds from selling this product goes to people fighting breast cancer. Isn't that nice? Anyways, that's the answer to the first question. So back to the video. So I like to drench my hair with some water, or with water as the case may be, so I can get all of the hydration and so that my hair is ready to be shampooed. My hair is of low porosity, so it could be so hard to get water in. So I'm going to be going in with the Bounce Back Clarifying Shampoo. Trust me, this shampoo is the truth, guys. It deeply cleanses your scalp, it removes all of the product build up, and it helps to reactivate your coils. I don't know how this happens, but somehow me, I believe is magic, because I don't know how my hair is going to be like dry in 1 minute and the next minute is looking all good. Anyways, so I used this shampoo to cleanse my scalp, and my scalp felt so good after this, because I've not used the clarifying shampoo in a very long time, and I often style my hair. So styling my hair involves me using gels and products and whatnot, and this could really dry out your hair if you're not careful. So I had to really use a clarifying shampoo. It's advisable to use a clarifying shampoo once a month, or once in maybe 2 months, depending on how often you want it, but once a month is okay. I do mine once in 2 months, but from now on it's going to be once a month because of the way I style my hair. So I decided to wash this twice, because if you notice, the first time wasn't lathering enough because of the product buildup I had, but the second wash lathered so much because some of the products are already off my hair, and now my hair is ready to be thoroughly cleansed. And as you can see, I am really digging this shampoo. Honestly, I could play with the foams on and not leave the shower. But then I decided to also go in with a scalp massager to make sure that blood is circulating while the washing is going. And I also rinsed my hair. Of course, you have to rinse your hair when you're done. And I don't know if you can see my coils. I don't know, but me, I can see them. I don't know if you can see them, especially at the nape of my hair. But anyways, just make sure that you thoroughly wash your hair off and make sure that it's clean enough before. I mean, see those coils, Jesus. Were these coils there at the beginning of this video? No. Anyways, we'll be going in with the damage defense protein mask from Shanyi Organics too. This is the second product in the collection that we'll be giving away, and I love the consistency of this product. The product smells so nice, and this brings me to the second question: what is my favorite product in this collection? It's definitely the protein mask, because it smells so nice and it feels so good in the hand. The consistency is nice, and it doesn't even have high concentration of protein, because my hair is a low porosity hair, and I always try my best to run away from protein treatment because my hair cannot absorb all of that nutrients, all of that protein from a protein treatment. It just sits on the strands. But for this particular protein treatment, it doesn't have a high concentration of protein, so it doesn't allow the protein sit on my hair strands. It goes deep inside, like it penetrates, most especially if I now use like a steam cap to activate, to open up my hair strands like I showed. So this protein mask can be used by people with low porosity hair and even high porosity. At this point, your hair porosity doesn't really matter, because this doesn't sit on your hair strands. As you can see, it's not sitting on mine, and you want to apply this like you're applying a relaxer. You want to make sure that every part of your hair strands receives this product. You don't want to leave anyone out of it, because it's a protein treatment. It's supposed to strengthen and also repair. Exciting thing about this collection is that it doesn't discriminate. It's basically for all hair types: colored, relaxed, transitioning, dreadlocks, natural, every type of hair type that you can think of. So you don't have to say, oh, I'm not sure I can use it. You can use it. And then I like the fact that detangling is so easy with this protein treatment. Look at how the comb is gently going into my hair strands and detangling properly. This is also the reason why you have to pre-poo before using your shampoo, which is a normal thing. But if you want to skip that process, you can. But if you skip it, detangling this way might not be easy for you, because you have the knot and the tangle still there, but then you can work your way around it. But I love the way this protein treatment makes my hair easy to comb. So after this, I decided to go in with my steam cap, because I need to open my hair strands with some heat. Remember, I have a low porosity hair. If you have a high porosity hair, you can decide to skip this part, but low porosity hair gangs, please do not skip. So I kept this on a low heat, and if you don't have a steam cap, it's fine. You can just use your shower cap or a nylon and keep in for like 30 to 45 minutes, and trust me, you still get the heat in it. And by the time I opened up my hair, I could still feel the heat from the steam cap. It got to a point that I could see the smoke. I don't know if you just saw that. Yeah, I could see the smoke coming from my hair. I kept this in for actually 45 minutes. You could do 30, you could do 45, but I kept mine in for 45 minutes. And so I'm pretty sure that I got all of the nutrients from the protein treatment into my hair strands. So now I'm just going to rinse thoroughly. Guys, once again, if you have any kind of hair type, just make sure that you rinse off the protein treatment thoroughly. You don't want to have protein residues in your hair. Even though this particular protein treatment does not have high concentration of protein, you still want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly rinsed. So I'm rinsing my hair section by section, and I'm making sure that I do not have any residue on my scalp or on my hair strands, and this way I am good to go. Now this brings me to the third question. So the third question says, what is the key ingredient in all of this product? What is the key ingredient in the collection? So guys, the answer to this is avocado. Yep, avocado. And if you Google on avocado, you would know that it helps reduce dandruff, itching, it helps soothe your scalp, it does a whole lot of great to your hair. So the protein treatment has avocado extract, and the shampoo and the repair serum have avocado oil in them, and this just basically means that your hair is in for a good treat. Trust me, this Coil RX collection, you don't want to miss it. Anyways, so I've answered the 3 questions that's supposed to be on my Instagram. These are the answers, and I hope you listen to this point to get them. So good luck to the 2 lucky winners that will be laying their hands on this super cute strengthening and repairing Coils RX collection from Shanyi Organics. I can't wait to know who is going to be getting this. And no more, look at my coils again. Like, can we take a break and look at this? Coils are popping. They are popping. Okay. Anyways, I'm super excited because my hair was really terrible. I know you guys saw that, and it's such a thing to be shameful for, but once again, you can't shame the shameless. I'm going to be going in with the repair serum, and right now I'm using it as a sealant, and I'm also using it to keep frizz out of my coils, out of my twist, and I'm also going to be using this as a hair growth oil. It has so many uses. So I apply this on my edges because I need them to grow, more hair will not do me bad. And I'm going to also massage this into my scalp for a while because massaging feels so good, trust me. So this is going to keep frizz away, and just make sure that you spray this like once a day to keep the frizz away. Guys, with what you've seen and what you've heard, I think I've been able to convince and not to confuse you that the Coils RX collection from Shanyi Organics is the truth, honey, the truth. So send Shanyi Organics a DM to get this collection. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye darlings, love you all.